5 Best Vacuum and Carpet Cleaner All-in-One Reviews. Number 1. Rug Dr. Flex Clean All-in-One Floor Cleaner. Are you looking for a compact, versatile, and powerful vacuum cleaner that can eliminate spots and stains quickly? Then pick the Rug Dr. Flex Clean. This is the top choice among the best carpet and floor cleaners. Flex Clean All-in-One Floor Cleaner is an excellent product of Rug Doctor. It can easily clean carpets and hard floors. And you can adjust its cleaning mode in a few seconds. If you're vacuuming the floor and you need to clean the carpet, then simply change the nozzle and turn the knob. The mode adjustment is that simple. Besides, the strong suction and ergonomic design provide the most effective cleaning. It can reach any narrow surface and clean spills, stains, and odors. Whether it's your carpet or your hardwood floor, don't worry, Flex Clean is here. Number 2. Bissell Crosswave Floor and Carpet Cleaner. Next in the list of the best all-in-one carpet and floor cleaner is the Bissell Crosswave. It has a dual-function feature that can sweep and mop at the same time. If you are someone looking for a versatile cleaner that offers wet-dry vacuum features, then Bissell is the right choice. This cleaner can be used for hard surfaces and area rugs. It has soft microfibers and nylon brushes to delicately clean your area rugs without getting it damaged. Best of all, it dispenses the perfect amount of water. So, you do not have to worry about your carpet getting too wet. The dual-action multi-surface brush roll enables the cleaner to pick and clean large amounts of dry debris. If we look at the build of this cleaner, we can see that it has 2 tank systems. One is for clean water, and the other is for dirty water. Number 3. VacMaster Wet Dry Carpet Cleaner and Vacuum. VacMaster is well known for the cost-effective, powerful, and efficient vacuum cleaners they manufacture. This cleaner is the most popular among the best vacuum and carpet cleaner available in the market. This vacuum can easily remove dust particles, industrial wastes, and water stains with the help of its powerful suction. It has a 5.5 HP power suction. VacMaster can be used for cleaning carpets, car interiors, sofas, couches, you name it. If you are looking for an affordable all-in-one vacuum cleaner, then VacMaster is here for you. Besides, this cleaner has an exceptional build. It has a capacity of 8 gallons with an external detergent tank. So, you can clean your floors using detergent or clean water. This 3-in-1 feature of VacMaster has made it stand out the most in the market. Number 4. Dirt Devil Endura Cleaner for Carpet and Hard Floor. Dirt Devil's Endura is one of the best affordable yet efficient carpet and floor cleaners available in the market. Users also love it as a great portable carpet cleaner. Doing any area or spot clean is like a breeze with it. This cleaner has a 3-stage filtration system. So, you can use it multiple times, over 6 months, without the loss of suction. For long-lasting power, it has been built with the Endura Performance System. It also includes Clean Path and SPIN 3PRO technology for continuous performance. All of these features have enabled the Dirt Devil to dominate the market as a cleaner and stain remover. Best of all, Dirt Devil Endura can even clean higher spaces, which are almost impossible to reach. The 10 feet extension wand provides extra reach for cleaning. Number 5. Bissell CleanView Bagless Vacuum Cleaner. Are you on a budget, and you're tired of not being able to find the right vacuum cleaner? Then don't worry, Bissell has got your back. Bissell's ClearView Bagless Vacuum Cleaner has one of the best features, and it comes at the most affordable price. The easy installation, lightweight build, and impeccable features have made CleanView steal the spotlight. As for the performance, Bissell has never failed to surprise us. The Turbo Brush tool enables the cleaner to clean narrow surfaces, even carpeted stairs. Guess what? You don't have to worry about crouching and hurting your back. Because Bissell has a release pedal that allows the cleaner to bend low. Cleaning under the furniture has never been so easy. Now, for the design. It is very lightweight and has an easy to dispose of the canister.